Okay, so I've made a lesson plan for teachers who are struggling to find lesson plans, unit plans, and activities on history for stage 2, so years 3 and 4 in schools. So I've created a little title page here which welcomes teachers to the world of history of stage 2. They can scroll down and read about what the app is made for. So the app's made for all stage 2 teachers out there struggling to find lesson plans, ideas, and unit plans on history. I know how hard it is to make up your own lesson plans and come up with new and engaging ways to introduce topics like British colonisation. But they don't have to worry now because I've created a little app that has some fun sourcing ideas for unit plans, lessons, and activities in the classroom around the topic of history. So down here, you can click on unit plans, and I've created 3 unit plans that teachers could come on here and find ideas, use them, change them. So they could click on the British colonisation one, and I've created a little picture there, and here's a little unit plan that I've created for HSIE. It goes for around 4 weeks, and it tells you what the unit is about. So it's about students exploring the issues of Australia's original inhabitants. Students, I link them to key learning areas such as English, HSIE, creative arts, and technology, because technology does play an important role in this unit plan that I've made. And then the key questions that the teachers have to worry about. And down here is some of the key indicators that the teachers will be using. And then here is really about the teaching and learning, the outcomes, and the resources that I've used. So first lesson I've written here that you're introducing a behaviour chart, if you like, and you're introducing the topic of British colonisation. You can go to lesson 2 and you can continue on with the introduction and have students create a KWL chart. And then lesson 3, introduce the topic of the First Fleet. So here's just one quick unit plan. So you can go back in your unit plans and you can see another one of cooperating communities. This one isn't in a table, it's a little easier to understand. So it tells you here what the unit's about. And then down here, the subjects, the implications for learning, the literacy notes, and the key learning areas. Again, technology does play a large role in this unit. And then here are the lessons that you would do. And I mean, teachers would spend a few lessons on each of these. It wouldn't just be one whole lesson. And then as you can see here, here's another one for places then and now and tomorrow. On this one here, we have lesson plans. So I've created a lesson plan template that teachers can use. Because sometimes pre-service teachers struggle to find a template. And you would click back and you can find a lesson plan on British colonisation. So teachers could literally go on here, take this lesson plan and use it in the classroom. Tweak it if they like. And then down here's another one, so a lesson plan 2 idea that you could use. And I mean, I would create more lesson plans as I go on. And over here, we have fun activities that the teacher could use in the classroom. So you click on activity 1, and the activity would be original inhabitants, what was life like for Aboriginal people before British colonisation, and students would create a timeline. using pieces of paper, and this whole page here would show you exactly what to do in that activity. You would click back, and there's another activity here for rotational posters and Wordle. I've even included this here so that teachers can use it. Wait. And over here we have more. So questions, if you've got something, teachers have some questions for me, I can help them with their lesson planning or some activities. Contact me and try it, so they could have a go at building their own app if they wanted to. And that is pretty much my app, just knowing that down here is where they can get all their information, and when they click on it they can source what I have made. And of course I would make more as I go on. I would add more lesson plans. I could even create a technology one, an English one, maths one.